Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 80. Naeil. Naeil. This is pronounced the two-syllable word. The first syllable is ne, the second syllable is il. Pronounce it with me. Naeil. The word naeil is an adverb of time, which means tomorrow. Therefore, it is used to denote that an action would be done tomorrow. How do we write naeil in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To write the first syllable ne, we need to write first a neon character followed by an e character. Next, we can write the Hangul for il by drawing first an eon character followed by an e character and followed by a real character. And once we're done writing the Hangul for each of the syllable, we can now combine it to form the Hangul for the word naeil. And with that, you've just learned naeil. And now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 70 to 79. But don't forget, our word for today is word number 80, naeil. This is an adverb of time, which means tomorrow. Word number 79 is onul. This is another adverb of time, which means today. Word number 78 is irona. This is used to say wake up or get up. Word number 77 is wada. This is a root verb which means to come. Word number 76 is onje, and this is used to ask when. Word number 75 is nuna. This is a Korean noun for sister, used by a younger brother. Word number 74 is onni. This is another Korean noun for sister, but this is used by a younger sister. Word number 73 is yung. This is a Korean noun for brother, used by a younger brother. Word number 72 is oppa. This is a Korean noun for brother, used by a younger sister. Word number 71 is omoni, and this is the Korean noun for mother. And the last for our review is word number 70, aboji, and this is the Korean noun for father. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.